guys, Michael Stillwell here from Stillwell Pianos in Mesa, Arizona, and this is a 1980s Steinway M. It's probably a little hard to tell from this video. If you look at the pictures, you might be able to tell a little bit better, but this piano is kind of rough. The finish isn't very great. It's crackling in the top lid. There's some wear through on the lacquer right here. This is a gloss black lacquer piano. Believe it or not, it's kind of rubbed out and looking kind of old right now, but we don't ever do anything like this. We never just sell something like this. We'll always refinish it or buff it out or do whatever we need to do to make it look like it's a brand new piano. But our refinishers in our back shop are super swamped right now. So we figured this is a really good piano, the guts and everything, it's just not that pretty. So what we're thinking is, hey, we'll put this on the floor for now until our refinisher and everybody catches up, and then we'll start rebuilding this piano too. But for now, we can sell this piano for a lower price because we haven't done all that work to it yet. If we do all that work to it, now we're gonna have to charge more for the piano. We really won't make any more money by doing all the extra work. We just have to pay it out to all of our employees and our staff to bring it up to those standards. So it doesn't really make any difference to us whether you buy it after it's been rebuilt or in this current condition. Being that it's a 1980s, it really doesn't need to be rebuilt, but this piano does have Teflon center pins. So if you've known anything about Steinway, this is a big no-no for them. It happened in the late 70s, early 80s for just a few of their pianos, and basically what that means is everything in the piano, when you hit a note, this is basically igniting in any given piano maybe 5 to 7 different friction points, which is a hole in a piece of wood lined with felt, the metal pin going through it. In this particular piano, that felt, or what we call a bushing, is actually Teflon. And the issue they had with that, and well, first of all, the reason they did it was because they thought, hey, this isn't going to change size as much, it's going to be a lot easier to regulate, it's going to be more consistent. And in reality, what happened, a lot of them started making a clicking sound. This particular one did not make the clicking sound. The Teflon's in phenomenal condition, and in my opinion, as a third generation piano technician, it really doesn't need to be replaced. Usually all the issues with the Teflon happen very quickly, which is why Steinway only did it for a short amount of time because they were getting so many issues right away. This piano is 40 years old. So if you guys have any questions about this particular piano or any other piano on our website, always feel free to shoot me an email at michael@stillwellpianos.com. Thanks for watching, guys.